Now whose head is bigger? Okay. Cut a long paper strip from waste paper. One paper you will take, blank or A4 size or any long paper you will take and cut. Give one strip to each of your friends. You will give the strip. Now put the paper strip around your head. Okay. And tear off the extra strip. So you can take help to your parent. On big sheet, paste this paper strip along a line. According to that way. First you will cut from here, and on suppose that it's my head is eyes and head around, and then I will open the strip in this way. Suppose that Swati's strip in place of Madhu. Well, you will open in the rectangular form. This strip you will get in this form. Okay, so after that what you will do, some children had pasted their strip and made a chart like this. You can see the chart. Madhu, Rohit, Ramesh, Sadiq and Samina's strips are there. Use a scale and find out from your chart. Okay, the length of the longest strip is. So you can take this activity with your family members or with your elder sister or brother. Okay, the length of the longest strip is this. When you will measure with the help of scale, suppose that is ruler and you will measure first. Okay, and you will do this activity and you will send this activity on my personal number. Some students are sending the activities on my personal number, and very good, I am very happy, so that I can see because I am watching your word and I'm watching your work, so feeling happy. You are taking seriously. Okay, so I appreciate those children, those who are sending. So suppose that my head is longest, so on the strip, so Swati has the biggest head. The smallest strip is, suppose that another teacher is, okay, smallest strip, her strip or his strip is the smallest, so it belongs to that name you will write. Now chapati chart. All children of a school take part in different clubs. You can see some are playing, some are drawing, some are art craft and some are gardening. So the chapati chart shows the number of children in different clubs. You can see half children are they have joined games club, and 1/4 children have joined garden club, and 1/4 joined drawing club. Now see here, from the picture we can see that half the children in the class take part in the games club, 1/4 of the children are members of the garden club, the drawing club has 1/4 of the children of the class. Now if there are 200 students in the class, look at the above chapati chart and tell the number of members in club. So fill in the blanks you will fill here. I will orally I am explaining. The games club has, so games club half, so half of the 200 divide by 2. So in the games club how many children are there? 100 children. And in the garden club 1/4, so divide 200 by 4, 4 5s are 20 and 0, so 50 children, and there are 1/4, so 200 divide by 4, 4 5s are, so 50 children in the drawing club. So today I will send you solution of this, how you have to do in your CW notebook. Okay, the standard students, the solution of the page number 167. So you can see from the chart and given one triangle equal to 3 children. So from the chart, number of children in the drama, 3 triangles when you will count. Okay, so one triangle equal to 3. So in place of triangle you will put 3, and already 3 is this. So how many children in the drama? 3 3s are 9. Now see number of children making the sets. You can see from the chart 2 triangles and one triangle equal to 3. So 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. And number of children in the drama already we calculated 9. So in which activity the number of children more? So number of children more in the drama. Okay, and difference is 9 minus 6. So 3 children more. Okay, in the drama. Now question number C, you can see from the given one triangle is equal to 3 children, and from the drama chart playing music activity done by most of the children. You can see the longest bar are triangles, ladder, you can say that. Then the number of children in the playing music is equal to 4 triangle, because in the standing position 4 triangles are drawn. So 4 triangles, 1 triangle is equal to 3, so 4 as it is, and multiply and 3, so 4 3s are 12. So 12 students, 12 children taken part in the playing music. Okay, now same way you can calculate the question number D. Number of children, those who are collecting dresses, is equal to 2 triangle, and 1 triangle is equal to 3. So 2 into 3 equal to 6. Okay. Now the solution of the page number 169. Chapati chart is given in this question, and it is written the number of students in the school. So first we will write given number of students in the school, and from the chapati chart. Number of students, those joined games club, half of 200. So half into 200. When you will divide 200 by 2, extreme left 2 is there. So 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down 2 zeros. This 0 you will put here. Difference. This you will not put. This bring down. When you are bringing down, those 0 you will put there. Okay. Now next is number of students, those join garden club, is equal to 1 by 4 of 200. 1 by 4 into 200, 50. How? Extreme left is 2. 2 0, 20. 4 5s are 20. Bring down 0. This 0 you will put here. Now number of children, those joined the drawing club. 1 by 4th of 200. From the chapati chart you can see 1 by 4 into 200, that means 50. Okay.